Hi, this is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and are you part of a big family that's looking to live near each other and you also want to live in a beautiful home in a safe and secure community? If you are, then we have the property for you. Welcoming you to a rare instance where we have two brand new houses that are being sold here in a beautiful community in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So together, it has a combined lot area of 588 square meters and a combined floor area of 684 square meters. And you can purchase just one house or you can purchase both houses together. Let me show you the first one. The first house is a Balinese inspired 5-bedroom home with a 3-car garage with a lot area of 294 square meters and a floor area of 342 square meters. And here's a quick preview of this home. And now let's head on over and take a look at the second house. Let's go! The second house has a modern contemporary design with 5 bedrooms and a 3-vehicle carport. In addition, it has an identical floor and lot area as the first house with a lot area of approximately 294 square meters and a floor area of approximately 342 square meters. And here's a quick preview of this home. We made this video because it's not every day where you have these two quality properties built beside each other here in BF Homes. And it's also a great opportunity for families who have, for example, 2 siblings who want to live beside each other. If you want to know more about these properties, you want to visit one or both, you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown below. You can also subscribe to us here on YouTube and follow us and message us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about these two houses, we have full tour videos up here. And now, here's one more view of these gorgeously designed houses and lots here in BF Homes, Paranaque City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.